9 to 5 Mac on YouTube is sponsored by IPVanish. Use IPVanish's VPN today and access an unrestricted internet, privately and securely. That means access to the world's most popular websites, right at your fingertips, thanks to apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Amazon Fire Stick. And when it comes to privacy and security, the IPVanish network is secured with advanced encryption standards which have been independently verified. No user traffic logs, and over 2,200 VPN servers in 75 plus locations around the world. Oh, and yeah, I mentioned all those other platforms that IPVanish is available for, like Windows, macOS, and iOS. Well, get this, IPVanish is also most recently available for the Apple TV, which means you can access more content in just a few clicks. Try IPVanish's VPN for 30 days risk-free and save on a yearly plan by visiting the link down below in the description. Special thanks to IPVanish for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube.